Hello everybody, here's a video showing you or demonstrating how to change the part on your lace wig. So lace wigs from Magic Hair Company have up to 6 inches of free parting space in the front, giving you a lot of styling versatility. So you can do a middle part, you can do a side part, you can do a part with a curve, you can do whatever you want because we have 6 inches of quality lace in the front. The knots are pre-bleached and that hairline is less dense. So wherever you make that part in the front, it will look flawless and natural. Okay, so what we did here, we just made a part and we cleaned it up. We made sure it was straight and we used the Magic Hair Company hot comb and we did a side part. So whether you want a right part or a left part, we got you. And we'll even style it for you in store. Styling and light layers are included with any purchase from Magic Hair Company. So we'll definitely style your wig for you, whether you want it flat ironed or you want some curls or waves. We got you at Magic Hair Company. That is included in the price. This is one of our beautiful 14-inch long bobs. As you see, we put just a little pop of color right in the front. And yeah, we can color your wig for you in store however you want. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company if you want the most luxurious, best quality, long-lasting wigs. Our wigs will last you for years. They're perfect for vacation. They're perfect for an everyday look. Make an appointment to shop with us in our Culver City store, where you can have a one-on-one consultation and select the wig or wigs of your dreams. We're located in Culver City and open Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. See you soon. Bye.